Hey there guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to discuss how to solve consecutive integers word problems. Now just a reminder guys, this video has 3 parts and I'll be putting the second and the third discussions about this down in the description box. Now just a quick review guys, when we say consecutive integers, dalawang terms ang ma-encounter natin. First would be yung consecutive and then second one would be yung integers. Now when we say consecutive in Filipino, it means lang na yung kasunod na value niya or yung mga kasunod-sunod niya. While yung integers naman, ibig sabihin nito, ito yung mga whole numbers na either negative, positive, or zero. So, ibig sabihin lang kapag kinumbine natin to, ito yung mga numbers na sunod-sunod lang. So, let's say for example, we have 5. Ano yung mga kasunod niya numbers? That would be equal to 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. What about 100? So, ang mga kasunod niya would be 101, 102, 103, and then so on and so forth. So, ganun lang yung concept natin ng consecutive integers. Okay? Na kung mapapansin nyo sa mga consecutive integers na to, pare-parehas lang sila na nagja-jump ng isang hakbang. Or ibig sabihin, nagja-jump sila ng plus 1 lang. Add lang sila ng add ng isa. Okay? Kahit anong number pa yan, basta katabi ka niya or kasunod ka niya, automatic, nagja-jump sila ng isa. Okay? So, let's apply this concept pagdating sa mga consecutive integers problems natin. So, in here, we have the sum of two consecutive integers is 25. Find the integers. So, ibig sabihin nito guys, kung tatagalogin natin, meron daw tayong hinahanap ng dalawang magkasunod na number or integers. Tapos, ang sum nila is equal to 25. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong blank plus blank is equal to 25. So, ano yung mga blank-blank na to? So, ang gagawin natin would be, let x would be the first integer, and then x plus 1 would be the second integer. Now guys, bakit x yung una? Tapos, bakit naman x plus 1 yung pangalawa? Kasi diba sinabi ko kanina na nag-jump-jump lang sila na isang hakbang. So, let's say yung x natin ay number 5. Tapos, yung x plus 1 natin, since yung x natin ay 5, that would be equal to 6. Kasi 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So, etong concept na to ay laging applicable pagdating sa ating consecutive integers. Kahit anong number pa yan, kung wari 8 to, this would be 8 plus 1, ang kasunod niya ay 9. So, definitely, ito yung ginagamit natin ng mga variables dito. Now, after nyan, meron tayong nakadeclare na variables, ang gagawin natin is to perform the operation. Sabi niya, yung sum daw ng dalawang numbers na to ay 25. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, i-combine natin to or isa-sum or i-add natin to, that would be equal to x plus 1 is equal to 25. Now guys, ang gagawin lang natin dito is to perform algebra. Ibig sabihin, i-combine natin yung like terms. So, to combine like terms, this would be x and x. This would be equal to 2x. Okay? Talagay ko na siya dito. Tapos, plus 1, since ikakopy lang natin to, kasi hindi natin siya pwede isama dito, is equal to 25. Okay? Now, after nyan, is itra-transpose natin yung 1 dito sa side na to isolate the variable. So, ibig sabihin, 2x is equal to 25 minus 1. Bakit minus? Kasi transpose natin, automatic, yung positive na sign niya would be magiging negative. So, that would be 2x is equal to 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. That is equal to 24. Okay? Now, to isolate the variable itself, kailangan natin hiwalay itong 2. So, to do that, kailangan natin i-divide both sides by 2. Okay? So, yung x matitira kasi na-cancel na yung 2. Tapos, yung 24 divided by 2 ay magiging 12. Okay? Ibig sabihin lang nito, yung x ay equal sa 12. So, kapag sinubstitute natin, based dito sa una natin ginawa, yung x natin daw ay 12. Tapos, yung x plus 1 naman natin ay equal sa 12, which is yung x plus 1, that is equal to 13. So, tingnan nga natin kung tama to, that is equal to 12 plus 13 is equal to 25, which is etong hinahanap natin. Okay? Ayan, sa problem. Now, take note na yung 12 natin yung first integer. Tapos yung next natin na number would be 13. So, di ba guys, magkasunod lang sila na 12, 13. So, ganun lang yung concept natin dito. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this next example. We have here, the sum of two consecutive integers is 175. Find the integers. Again guys, yung sum daw ng dalawang magkasunod na integers ay 175. So again, let x would be the first integer, and then yung second integer natin would be x plus 1. Okay? Tapos, yung sum niya, nakalimutan ko na ilagay kanina, pero mas maganda ilagay nyo, is equal to 175. Okay? Ang una natin gagawin, since nakapag-declare na tayo, is to perform the operation. At ang operation natin for this given would be addition, since ang hinahanap ay yung sum. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang nito, add down natin tong dalawang integers na to. So, that would be equal to x plus 1. Ano daw yung sum nila? Based sa problem, this would be 175. Okay? Now, after nyan, magpa-perform tayo ng algebra, so we need to combine like terms. So, that is equal to 2x plus 1 is equal to 175. So, again, 2x is equal to 175 minus 1, kasi nga ito ay transpose natin sa kabilang side. So, huwag kayo malilito doon. Kailangan pag nagtra-transpose tayo, nililipat din natin yung sign. Okay? Now, after nyan, continue ko na lang dito. That would be equal to 2x is equal to 175 minus 1 is equal to 174. Now, to isolate it, kailangan natin i-divide both sides by 2 para makancel at matira na lang yung x. That is equal to x, which is equal to 87. So, ito yung x natin guys. Balikan lang natin yung ating given, which is this one. So, sabi, yung x daw natin, yung first integer ay 87. How about naman yung second integer, which is x plus 1? That is equal to 87 plus 1, which is 88. Again guys, sinabi ang sum daw ay 175. So, add lang natin to. 8 plus 7, or 7 plus 8, that would be equal to 15. Okay? Tapos, carry 1, 8 plus 8, that would be equal to 16 plus 1, that would be 175. So, as you can see, ito ay tama dito at totoo nga na consecutive numbers yung result ng ating answer. Okay? Now, let's move on to our next example, which is find the two consecutive integers such that when we double the second integer, we will get a sum of 98. So, eto guys, medyo humaba na yung ating problem. So, sinasabi lang dito, meron daw tayong dalawang consecutive integers, di ba? Ibig sabihin, dalawang magkasunod na number. Such that when we double the second, ibig sabihin, ito-double daw natin yung second integer, we will get a sum of 98. So, ang gagawin natin is i-determine muna natin yung variables. Since meron tayong dalawang consecutive integers, same pa rin sa concept natin kanina. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, ang first integer natin is x, second integer natin would be x plus 1. Okay? Now, meron siyang condition dito. Sinabi niya na kailangan daw i-double yung second integer. Tapos, sinabi niya rin yung sum natin would be 98. So guys, pag sinabi natin do-double yung second integer, ito yung second integer, yung buong yan, ibig sabihin lang nun, ita-times natin lahat yan sa 2. Okay? Bakit lahat yan? Hindi lang yung x, hindi lang yung 1, kasi this whole represents your whole number or yung integer mo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, perform distribution, this will be 2x plus 2. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang guys, since kailangan natin ng sum, i-add natin yung x na to at yung nakuha natin na double. So, ibig sabihin lang x plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 98. Again, yung operation natin dito would be addition. Okay, shortcut na lang natin para mas mabilis. Now, we should combine like terms. So, x plus 2x, that would be equal to 3x plus 2 is equal to 98. Now, in order to isolate the variable, we need to transpose 2 into the other side. So, that would be equal to 98 minus 2. Okay, ituloy na lang natin here. So, yung 3x mo ay equal daw sa 98 minus 2, that would be 96. So, i-divide natin yan lahat by 3 para makancel at matira ang variable, that would be equal to 32. Okay, yung x natin. Now, after natin makuha yung x, i-substitute na natin ito based dito sa kanina nating given. So, ibig sabihin lang, ang x natin daw ay 32. Tapos, etong second integer natin na double, ito yung kukuhanin natin. Since meron siyang condition, wag to, dapat ito, okay? That would be equal to 2x plus 2. Or in short, ito lang yung 2 times 32 plus 2. Okay? Equal yan sa 64 plus 2 or 66. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating second integer would be 66 at ang ating next integer would be 32. So, try nga natin i-add 32 plus 66 would be 8. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 98. So, baka magtaka kayo, hala, bakit 66 at 32? Hindi siya consecutive integers. Mind you guys, na ang x natin ay 32, di ba? Pero ang kasunod niya na value would be 33. Pero, kung makikita nyo, sinabi dito na may condition tayo na kailangan i-double daw yung second integer. So, kapag times 2 mo yan, ang sagot dyan would be 66, which is yung nakuha natin kanina. Okay? So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!